Hi everyone, want to make your AI chatbots more flirty, fun, and extra entertaining? Today, let's turn your chats into spicy roleplay like a pro in Chai AI. Let's get started. First, open your Chai AI app and browse the character or create your own. Look for one labeled romantic, playful, or customizable for better flirt or roleplay dynamics. Then here you can start with a bold prompt like for this example here, let's pretend we're on a blind date, and you can be creative because the more context and emotion you give, the better the AI performs. And then you can also ask for a flirty or curious questions, like this example: what do you like me the most? Would you kiss me right now? Or many more. Flirt with tension. You can also use emojis and playful tone to guide the vibe. And then you can customize your own bot with a detailed backstory, personal traits, and flirt settings. Want a bold tasting bot? Add it in the description, and the Chai AI responds better when you guide it clearly. And now you're ready to flirt, to roleplay, and to entertain with Chat AI like a pro. If you found this helpful, please like and comment your best prompt and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.